Ever had rice so smoky and tender it tastes like it came from the heart of the earth? Meet Mandi, Yemen's underground secret now reimagined for your home kitchen. Stay tuned because you're about to discover a dish that'll redefine how you do rice and lamb. Mandi is Yemen's national treasure, a dish that embodies simplicity, depth, and tradition. Originating from the Hadramaut region, this one-pot meal was traditionally cooked underground in a tandoor-like oven, giving the lamb a tender, fall-apart texture, and the rice a subtle, smoky infusion. It's not just food, it's a cultural ritual served at weddings, feasts, and gatherings. Here's what you'll need to bring this centuries-old dish to life. For the lamb, first 5 to 2 pounds bone-in lamb shoulder or leg, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon Mandi spice mix, more on this soon, salt to taste. For the rice, 2 cups basmati rice rinsed and soaked for 30 minutes, 1 large onion sliced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 tomato chopped, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, 3 cups water or broth. Mandi spice mix, also called Hawaij, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon cardamom, half a teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon cloves, just a pinch of nutmeg. For garnish, fried onions, toasted almonds or cashews, raisins, and for a bonus flavor hack, a small piece of burning charcoal for that authentic smoke. Start by marinating your lamb in yogurt, lemon juice, salt, and that magical Mandi spice mix. Let it sit for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. This not only tenderizes the meat, but deeply infuses it with flavor. In a deep pot, melt some ghee and sauté onions until they're caramelized and golden. Next, add garlic, chopped tomato, and a bit of tomato paste. Cook all of that together until you get a thick, rich base. Then stir in a bit of your Mandi spice and pour in water or broth, whichever you prefer. Once it comes to a boil, add your soaked basmati rice. Cook everything on low with the lid on until the rice is perfectly fluffy. While the rice simmers away, go ahead and roast your lamb in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 60 minutes. You want it to be fall-off-the-bone tender with a nice crispy top. And hey, you can also grill it if you want even more of that smoky char. Now for the fun part, the smoky hack. Heat a small piece of charcoal until it's red hot. Place it in a foil cup, nestle it right in the rice pot, and drizzle just a little oil or ghee on it. Quickly seal the pot to trap all that authentic Mandi aroma. Just 5 to 10 minutes and boom, you're in Yemen. So now it's time to fluff up that aromatic rice pile on the lamb and, oh, don't forget the crispy onions and nuts for that perfect texture. You've just made one of the most iconic Arabian dishes right in your kitchen. In Yemen, Mandi is more than just food. It's, well, a moment. It represents celebration, generosity, and unity. Whether it's served at tribal gatherings, Eid feasts, or weddings, it carries the story of the people. Traditionally, it's cooked underground in a pit called a tanner, where meat hangs over spiced rice and slow cooks for hours. This method, honestly, infuses it with a depth that only time and patience can give. Okay, quick recap. Marinate lamb overnight for deep flavor. Add tomato paste to your rice base for a richer color. Use the charcoal trick for that authentic smoke. And don't forget to toast your spices before using to unlock extra aroma. You just unlocked Yemen's best-kept culinary secret. If this dish blew your mind, just imagine what else is coming. For more Middle East recipe thrills, make sure to hit that subscribe button like this video, and let us know in the comments, what's the next Middle Eastern dish you want to master? Subscribe for more one-pot wonders from the Middle East.